There are two places to turn SafeSearch off on your phone. One is in the settings, the other one is in the browser that you're using. So let's go to the settings first. Under settings, we want to scroll down to where it says screen time right here. Tap on that to open it. Before you see any data, you may have to enter a password, especially if a parent set this up for you or somebody else set it up. But if we scroll down till we see content and privacy restrictions and click on that, we will see a lot of options for content restriction. If this is turned on, that means something is restricted. So let's go to App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Here we see web content. If this is set to unrestricted, then there is no SafeSearch. Our web content is not restricted. If any of the other two options are selected, then the search will be limited to whatever is selected or approved under those things. So unrestricted is the most wide open. You can search anything you want. There's no safe search. And then the second place you want to look is inside the browser itself. So if we go to a browser and we go to Google, which I usually use for searching, Google has a hamburger icon up here or 3 dashes. Tap on that and there's an option here called Safe Search. Tap on that to open it. And here, if this is off, then there is no safe search. If it's on blur, certain things will be blurred. And if it's on filter, certain things will be filtered out. So if you want safe search completely off, then off is the one you want to choose. And if you want to scam proof your phone, then this PDF is what you need. Just scan this QR code or click on the link in the top of the description or the pinned comment. They all go to the same place where you can get this free PDF I made for you to scam proof your phone within just a few minutes. So make sure you check that out. If you want to discover all the ways that iPhone is tracking you, then this is the video you want to watch next. If you got value from the one you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.